So once you're logged in, the navigation bar is along the top. You can see by clicking on courses, the courses that come up, groups, any groups that the student is involved in. Resources is the student's personal filing cabinet, and then grade report. What we see here along the left is the recent activity, so anything that is happening, it's very social media-esque, that you can scroll on, and you can go back to see what different posts are to the school. Where students can click like and show their school spirit through clicking like and upvoting things. On the right-hand side here, this is a quick look for different activities and assignments that are due or overdue. And you can also preview what's upcoming in the class assignments on Schoology. So a student, to access their course, they would click on their courses, and we will go into science first period. So if I'm looking at this student here, I can see that they're part of the First Tech Challenge, the Game Board Club, and then the general 7th grade class.